Continuing on with simple interest assignment number 1, we'll take a look at part C, but before we do, take a look at the answers I have here for you in part B. And so these are the values that you should have calculated. Make sure you compare them. Make sure my numbers are correct. And then once you've done that, go ahead and move on to part C. So part C, further application of the simple interest formula. This time we will take a look at calculating interest based on an ordinary year, 360-day year, and an exact year, 365-day year. And so both of these are going to be interest calculations, but based on ordinary and exact years. So I'm going to go ahead and do a merge and center here. Right there, and put in interest because we're going to be calculating two types of interest. And we'll go ahead and put in our numbers for 10. Okay, so this is a 60-day year for this first one here. And we need to make it very clear that this 60 is days. 60 days, not 60 years. And then we will come here and do a conversion of our days and convert them to years based on, in the first situation, we will calculate interest based on 360-day year or ordinary year. And then we'll calculate that interest based on a 365-day or exact year. And I'll go ahead and format our principal amount there, $2,400. I left some of these as decimals, but you can certainly go back and convert those. As with that one. And now we're ready to do that calculation. So here's how we do it. So first we'll calculate the interest for an ordinary year. Principal times our rate times our time. But this time we're going to use parentheses to control the order of operations because we want to calculate that time specifically for an ordinary year here, so we're going to have to divide those days by 360 to convert the 60 days to the number of years in a 360-day year. So we're going to put that parenthesis, we're going to click on our 60 days, not multiply, divided by 360. There we go. That would be $52. And then for the 365-day exact simple interest will be very similar. Principal times our rate times, once again, our 60 days divided by, this time though, it's going to be divided by 365 days. $51.28767123. We are going to simply round that to $51.29. So go ahead and finish part C. Review any of this video that you need to. And finish 10 through 14, and then we will move on to the next section.